Well, this is February 6th. This is 2010 AD. And we're just looking at the aftermath. Well, it's not the aftermath yet because it's still coming down. But this is what it looks like outside. I'm going to try and make the journey to the inner harbor. I really don't know if there will be school Monday because I'll show you the roads.
I don't think they're
Because you can't really see it too well. But there's a car spun around in the sidewalk over there. They have 2,600 trucks or something they said, but apparently none of them are working. So that's what it looks like. Still going pretty good, and it's going to get worse, I guess, as the swing around or whatever they keep calling it happens. And Pree's probably going to try and sit in the snow so I can take a picture of her sitting in the snow. She wants to find the deepest spot to sit in.
It's really deep. Look at how deep it is.
Well, that's what it looks like.
Look, nobody's in that car.
Okay, I'm gonna go street side.